Hey, good evening, everyone. That 9 o'clock show is coming up just around the bend, and we only have a couple days left in the month of February at that. And I'm telling you what, it is not the way February is supposed to feel or even look. We're still dealing with a lot of snow on the ground. We've got more snow falling. Here's a look at West Cape Girardeau. Still see that American flag flying in that northwest breeze. It has been very difficult to spend a day outside over the past several days. Cloudy conditions, it's cold, it's windy, and we've still got quite a bit of ice in spots as well. Snow is flying and the temperature is in the low 20s across most of the heartland. Looks like the temperature gauge is down at Cape, the airport, but we can pretty much guess that we're probably in the low 20s. Looks like the upper teens sneaking their way into Farmington and Mount Vernon. The thing about it is, when you factor that blustery north wind, it takes the wind chill down to the single digits at spots. We're looking at 7 in Farmington, 9 in Carbondale. So you want to do whatever it takes to stay warm. Throw an extra log on the fire, throw an extra blanket on the bed, crank up the furnace. Yeah, it's probably going to be a little bit higher of a bill at the end of the month, but you got to do what you got to do to stay warm. We're actually watching some of that moderate snow set up in southern Illinois. Areas were reporting about a dusting to an inch of snow earlier today. And we're still dealing with a few moderate areas of snow banding between Route 3 and Route 51 along Anna and through Vienna. Looks like Marion, the snow may be tapering off. You still probably will see a few flurries. Carmi, Shawneetown, Roseclair still dealing with some moderate snowfall. Now these bands are moving to the south, and it seems like they redeveloped to the north. You can see that regional view over the past few hours. You still see that redevelopment toward I-64 as it dodges to the south. But we also are watching that cloud cover kind of thin out along I-44, I-70. High pressure is going to be settling in throughout the next few hours, and it should allow for those temperatures to really start to fall. We're going to set this up right around Friday morning, right in time for the morning drive. We're talking single digits in many locations. We will be challenging some record lows for this time of year. It's just incredible. And as we go throughout the afternoon, we're going to see temperatures top out in the low and mid-20s. The record afternoon high was 33 degrees. I believe that was 2003. Well, chances are we're going to blow that right out of the water. Some very cold air settling in for the heartland for the last couple days of February. Over the next 6 hours, that wind really relentless. The north wind at about 5 to 15 miles an hour. With the temperature falling through the mid-teens and through the single digits with the wind chill near zero. So hazardous weather as we go throughout the next 12 hours. But I'll tell you what, a pretty good chance of rain coming in by the beginning of March. So I'll give you those latest details coming up on Heartland News at 9 and 10. We'll see you then.